So in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to navigate the Queensland Education website in order to register your child for homeschooling, so you know where to go, what to click on. So let's jump over to their website and get started. Okay, so we have jumped across to the Queensland Education website. We're going to come to the Schools and Educators tab, go down to Other Education Types, and here you're going to find Home Education. So we're going to click on this, and then we're going to find Registration. So there are two ways that you can fill out your child's registration request for home education. You can either do their online form or you can do their paper-based form, which you can either email or post out to them. So to complete your application, all you're going to need to do is provide some evidence that your child is the right age for home education. So that's usually their birth certificate, evidence that you are the child's parent or legal guardian. You're going to provide a summary of the educational program that you're going to use with them for the following year. So that's essentially, okay, this is what we're planning to achieve in each subject, and these are the types of resources that we're going to use. And it could be as simple as we're going to access our local library, we're going to use the local swimming pool for PE, these sorts of things. Confirmation that your child is not enrolled in any other state or non-state school, essentially a statement would do fine, and any court orders that are related to parental responsibility for your child. Okay, that's essentially what you have to do. You fill out the application form, again, either online or by paper, and I'll go through that form with you in a separate video. So you attach the supporting documentation, the birth certificate, all of the evidence that they've asked of you as well. And then you just have to submit your application. So if you do that online, it's pretty simple. You just click complete at the end, I believe. If you're submitting it by email or post, this is the email address that you will email it to, or you can post it to their address as well. So once you've submitted it, all you have to do is wait for them to respond. They usually do respond within 2 to 4 weeks. But, you know, as it says, it can take up to 90 days sometimes. It just depends on how many applications they're trying to process at any one time. So once your child is registered, all you have to do is start homeschooling, really. So start their educational program that you put forth, that you were planning on doing with them for the year as best you can. Don't freak out if things don't go to plan. They usually never go to plan. And just keep track of their educational progress throughout the year. You will get email notifications about when your progress report is due. It's usually around the 10-month mark. And I will go through all the details of that in a separate video as well. So all you have to do to end your child's registration is by filling out this online form. And honestly, just notifying them within 28 days if there are any change of circumstances, details, like if you've moved, that sort of thing. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, so that was how to navigate the Queensland Education website to register your child for homeschooling. If you'd like to watch the video on how to fill out the application form and everything that's involved, or how to actually create your educational plan for your child, then check out our other videos.